Hello and welcome to using Shotcut video editing software. My name is Carmen Kelly and I am your instructor. And today we're going to go through an overview of Shotcut as an introduction to this class. We'll talk about several different things about the class itself and about what Shotcut offers, as well as what the predicted outcomes are for you taking this class. So let's get started. So here is the purpose for this class, particularly providing students the ability to use video editing software tools and techniques so that you can utilize these techniques creating your own videos. What I find to be most important about Shotcut is that it is a free software to download to anyone who has the internet and an up-to-date computer. So here is the listing of the learning objectives for this class, and at the end of the course, these are things that you should be able to do after taking this class. Knowing what the benefits are of using a software such as Shotcut. Additionally, know and perform certain steps to create visual and auditory techniques on video within the editing software. And also knowing what the importance of some terms are and why those are utilized within video editing, and best practices for video editing. What you think looks good may not always be what's right, and vice versa. So those things are up for discussion along the way throughout the class. And also trends and issues are important to know, what's popular, what's good for the design of video editing. So particularly this course is for those who are high school or college age students who are kind of just learning how to use video editing software. This is not really for anyone who has advanced skill. This is a very basic class with video production equipment and software. So here's a little bit more about Shotcut, also where you can download Shotcut, what the current version is, and what operating systems Shotcut is appropriate for. And as I mentioned before, it is a free open source platform. So here are some of the audio features available within. Some things may be familiar to you, some may not. There are additional ones, but these are the main ones that most beginners would think about or include in audio editions, or audio tracks, it's sometimes called. So those are listed here. And video effects, some of these are what we will learn within this class, some of them are not. So keep in mind that there is a longer list, but this is pretty basic for this class. And then editing features, which are very important when you're creating a video production. So these are some of those features that are available within Shotcut. And this is an additional list. This is a continuation of the previous one for your review. And moving on into helpful resources. I will say that Shotcut has a blog. They also have where they utilize the space to provide updates and bug fixes for Shotcut users. They have a tutorial page. They also have a YouTube channel where you can go and look at some of the available tutorials either done by Shotcut or other users. And this class, I will be providing a resource page, a document that provides glossary terms. I'll also have a list of royalty-free video, audio, and image resources, just to name a few things. And the main link for Shotcut's website will provide some of that information as well. And moving on, we have here, we conclude about this class, what my expectations are within finishing up, and just to name a few things that will be required for this class. There's an assessment quiz about key terms and how those are important to this class because it's specific terminology to video production and using Shotcut. And also there's a final exam that will ask about some specific skills and techniques that are used in Shotcut. There will be 3 different labs where you learn skills and utilize those to produce video, as well as a final project, which is a conclusion of those 3 labs that were learned, how to combine all of that and make a final production to be graded as a final assignment. So just reiterating here what the expected outcomes are for this class and give you kind of an idea of what is expected and what are the assignments like for this class. So would like to say thank you, and I will also be posting this PowerPoint deck to the classroom content in the introduction section for you to review as you watch this video. Thank you.